Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can do a test order in Shopify. There are basically two methods for it, and the both methods are listed in the Shopify Help Center and Shopify official blogs. So the first method is that if you have the Shopify payments activated, you can enable the test mode and then do some random transaction like the fake card numbers and the fake CVC and all of the stuff, and you can do that test transaction, and after that you have to disable the test mode, and then you will the store will be running as normal. But for this method that I'm explaining you, it is also listed in Shopify Help Center, and you don't need Shopify payments activated. So that's the advantage. You can do the testing really easily. You don't have to activate the Shopify payments or any third party payment provider. So the method is simple, but make sure you deactivate the Shopify payments or any third party payment provider. Okay, only then you can test this thing. So if I go to my admin panel, okay, and then click on settings, the method is simple. After you hover over to settings, you just have to click on the payments, and then as this is a development store, but this method works for the published stores as well. So what you have to do, you have to click on payment providers, choose a provider. Okay, and once you click on it, you will see the option Bogus Gateway. If you don't find that option, you have to just search for the Bogus. Okay, so once you click on it, the instructions are also listed here. Okay, so there are like you have to enter the random details for this transaction, like name on card, bogus gateway, credit card number. Enter one to stimulate. If you want to do a testing for the successful transaction, you have to enter one. If you want to like do the testing for the failed transaction, Shopify gives you the option for two, and the three is it just indicates an error message, and CVC 111 and expiry date any date of the future. So I activate the bogus gateway. Okay, so the bogus gateway is activated. So if I go to my online store and try to purchase a product, I can enter the details and it will be a test order. So this is just a sample product, just I activated. So okay, I add to cart. I check out directly because I'm just testing. I don't want to indulge with myself with all of the stuff. So, like, I want to enter the city address. Okay, so I just entered a random address. Okay, so email I can enter like EHGA Mustafa. Okay, so as you can see, the credit card in credit card section, the bogus payment gateway icon is showing. So it means we can easily do the transaction. So the card number, as we mentioned, it will be one. Okay, and CV's the name on card is bogus gateway. We just copy this one, or we can write it manually. Okay, name on card is bogus gateway. Bogus gateway. Okay, and then expiration date is some CVC is 111. Okay, let's go to 111, and expiration date anything in the future, like I will enter uh 2026. Okay, so that's it. So pay now. No thanks. So let's see if the test. So as you can see, the test order is done, and we can also see that test order in the Shopify admin panel. So let me show you. It's taking a bit time. Yeah, as you can see, just place the order. This is a fake order. You can say this is done by the bogus gateway, but you can see the test order has been done. So that's it. That's the easiest method to place a test order on Shopify, to do the testing and to learn how to fulfill the item and how to do all the stuff, because you don't want to make the experiments on your live store. Okay, so that's how the things are done. You can fulfill the order and do all the other stuff, like just the testing. And it is also written your payment gateway was in test mode when this order was created. So make sure once you have done this testing, disable the bogus gateway method, because you don't want it enabled when the store is live. So I just go again and try to disable it just to show you. So manage. Okay, I click on and just I have to deactivate this method. Okay, that's the method of how to do the test order in Shopify. Thank you very much. I hope the things are clear.